everyone, so today I'm sharing with you my favorite pulav recipe. Is called Masoor Pulav. It goes very well with bacon curry. So the recipe is on my channel, do check it out. So I'm taking half cup of Masoor Dal, wash it, soak it for 4 to 5 hours, and taking rice, 1 cup of rice. You can take any rice like basmati rice too. So wash it properly with water 3 times, then soak it for 4 to 5 hours. Make a paste of ginger garlic chili. I'm only using half tablespoon. Rest is going in the fridge. So take a pan, add some oil. Now add mustard seed, cumin, and curry leaves with some dry garam masala, which is elaichi and long. Now add our masoor dal with ginger garlic chili paste, salt, coriander, cumin, red chili powder. Stir it really well and add some astafatida. Cook it for 1 to 2 minutes, and after that add rice. Stir it really well, and now add salt according to the rice. Now 1 cup of rice means double up the water. 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water, and here I'm taking half cup. That's why it looks more. And you need another half for your lentils, which I forgot, so I'm going to add it later on. So add some garam masala, close the lid, and cook it until your water starts boiling. Now we are going to check the water, make sure all spices are okay. Mine were perfect, so I didn't add anything. If yours is not right, like you need seasoning, add some more, okay? But it should be perfect if you are following my recipe. Now cook it on the slow flame and check like every 5-10 minutes. My rice is not cooked because I forgot to add half cup of water, okay? So you can add it now, or if you have added it previously, don't do it. Close the lid and cook it on very slow flame, and the rice should be cooked. And this is how my rice look like. You serve it with coriander leaves and salted lassi, okay? The recipe for salted lassi is already on my channel, and you can also serve it with yogurt. So thanks for watching. Bye.